Hey, welcome back YouTube. Back here at our 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III project. As you can see, we got the engine in, got some accessories starting to bolt on here. And we have a pretty exciting update. We got our transmission all back rebuilt and did a little quick detailing on it there. I was wanting to leave it natural aluminum, but it wasn't cleaning up very good there. It was just kind of stained real bad. So use some nice aluminum rattle can detail paint. Just throw a real light coat on it there just to kind of make it all look uniform. I'm not exactly a fan of doing this, but I just couldn't get it to clean up real good. We tried acid, some other things there that just wasn't looking real nice. So this will work. Once it's in the car, you don't see it anyway, but want to just make it look pretty. So we're gonna get this installed. We got our block off plate here. Got the torque converter sitting inside. Got it secured, and we're gonna get this attached, get it on, and it'll be one more thing out of the way. So sit back and enjoy. Alright guys, so we got the transmission all installed here. Got all the mounts tightened up. Got the transmission lines run. Just got to do a couple little odds and ends to that. Everything went pretty good. Had a little issue getting the torque converter bolts to line up with the flywheel. We had to play around with it a little bit, but it was all taken care of at the end. Looks all nice sitting in the frame there. Our next step is going to be to get the body on. Got a few odds and ends I want to finish here with this. Gotta get the kick down on. There's the vacuum line to the modulator is gonna go on yet. I figure we might as well get all this stuff on before the body goes on. And I ordered the exhaust for it. It's supposed to be in a week or so, so if we can wait and put the exhaust on with the body off, I think we'll be better off too. And then the transmission lines on this end, they need a little bit of tweaking done to them. I can't do nothing with those until the radiator and core support's on. But all in all, I think it's coming along pretty good. We made some pretty good progress here today. So that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.